Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on the XRP and Ripple a little bit. We'll just talk about the entire project. I think that's necessary now with everything that's going on. But yeah, that's what we'll do in this video. Before we get into the rest of this video, in which we'll talk about the technicals, we'll discuss a little bit of the Ripple's role now, or at least what this means for Ripple. Which is obviously the project that has been battling for crypto's rights for the last couple of years already with the SEC. And now that the SEC has really opened the attack on crypto in the US, what does that mean for XRP? Is it becoming more attractive or is it kind of losing its distinction? We'll talk about that. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So for now, let's get right into it. So I think it's best to start off with the technicals. Perhaps we talk about some fundamentals if we need to, because obviously my technical analysis is also based on my thoughts on the fundamentals. But right now, if we're taking a look at XRP, we're just technically we are still bullish actually. Especially after that big bullish move yesterday, but we are kind of getting into a consolidation, because right now the one thing we would want to do is we have this resistance level between 54 and 55 cents. We want to get a bullish breakout somewhere there. I would actually say breaking above 54 cents is actually already enough. So if we can break above that, then we'll actually get that whole move up to 58, 57 cents, and then from there we'll see again. Now, but then you'd have to assume that something like this is likely. And I would say it's possible. I don't think it's the most likely scenario given all of the circumstances right now, but also not given the technicals. It's a very strong level we'd have to break through. And apart from that, I think it's more likely right now that sure, we might get up there. We might get up to 55 cents, but then from there that will drop down and get into some sort of a consolidation between 50, 51 cents and then 54 cents. I think that's more likely. I think that's more likely if you take a look at the entire market and then also a little bit about how XRP on its own is developing over the last couple of days. And also, I mean, usually when you get bad news like this in the markets, usually the price just stabilizes. So we'll lose some volume, at least if we do not get any new news. And then before you know it, you're in a consolidation. So I would say that's the most likely scenario. Now, over time, though, I think it's going to be, to talk a little bit more about the fundamentals, I'm actually not sure what I think about XRP right now. Yesterday, we did an update, and I told you that I actually think that this is bullish for XRP. There's quite a big chance that XRP wins the lawsuit. And if it wins the lawsuit, if XRP is not a security, I think there's already quite a lot of money flowing into Bitcoin because Bitcoin is confirmed a commodity. But that could also happen with XRP. If XRP is not a security, then a lot of money could go to XRP because people want to stay invested in crypto. You can still make great returns on Ripple. Ripple is an amazing project, very innovative and that type of stuff. So that could actually be bullish for XRP on the long term. On the short term, I don't think it really has any effect. On the short term, I still think that we will react bullish to all of the news regarding the lawsuit. But I don't think we'll see a bullish move right now before the lawsuit because we anticipate that we'll win it. I think we'll just see bullish momentum because we'll anticipate that we win the lawsuit, but we're not thinking yet about the implications of that afterwards. If you know what I mean. I barely myself know what I mean anymore after that explanation. But yeah, so short term, I think it's just we're steady. I would say we're still bullish, and I still expect bullish momentum because of the lawsuit. But this whole SEC suing Coinbase and Binance, I think is also bullish for XRP, but only on the long term. So that's my view on it. If you do have any questions on it, then obviously let me know, and I'll make sure to explain myself a little bit better in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.